From the showroom floor to the end of the line, we examine the life cycle of the Dzire and the stark contrast it represents.
Let's get started.
Powerful electromagnets separate the valuable steel fragments from the mixed scrap, ensuring efficient recycling and resource recovery.
Ensure the alignment is precise on the 7th girder.
Confirmed. Initiate automated welding sequence immediately.
The carbon percentage is holding steady at 0.15 per lent.
Good. The tensile strength projections are exceeding expectations.
Look at the X-ray diffraction here. The structure is holding.
And the carbon percentage is exactly within tolerance.
We have confirmation on the alloy levels. Initiating the sequence now.
Temperature is holding steady. Finalizing the batch.
This is not magic. This is science.
diagnostic protocol uses a multispectral scan, comparing the holographic data overlay against the structural baseline in real time. Check 1. Wiring harness connected. Check 2. Mounting bolts torqued. Check 3. Module secure.
Congratulations on your new Maruti Dzire. Here are the keys.
Thank you so much. I can't believe it's finally mine.
We need to ensure the connection points on the airbag module are fully secured before sign-off.
Look how beautiful the market looks in this light. Yes, we should stop here on the way back.
Look, Papa, an elephant passing by.
Wow, it is a big one.
From road to rebirth, this is recycling.